Looks the nuts. And at the camera, yeah? Not at that. Hi YouTube, hello everyone, I'm Mini Dobby and this is Mini Diaries episode 7. Welcome back to my brackets and the brake master cylinder. I'm doing a weekly vlog on my progress and the work on my classic Mini. This week I'm going to be sorting out my brackets and the brake master cylinder and fitting everything back on to the bulkhead. Thank you for clicking on my video. Hopefully you'll enjoy it enough to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I've got plenty to do, so let's get straight on with it. Got my brake master cylinder there. I've got some degreaser again. I'm going to give all of the plastics a wipe over, get rid of all that dirt and grime. I then rub the metal down, get that ready to be painted. I'll wrap that in some masking tape, the plastic once it's all clean, and then spray it in some etch primer. Get it ready for another coat of paint, and I'll probably go black with it this time. Go matte black to match the brackets. Cleaned it all up and I've rubbed it all down. I've got my little helper here today. She's the expert in wrapping. She's going to mask up all the plastic ready for the brake master to be sprayed there. That's the brake master all wrapped up and ready to be sprayed now. You can also see the brackets there. They've got their first coat of colour on, so I'll give them a rub down and apply a few more coats. Let's put some primer on this. So my brackets are all painted up. That's the bracket for the fuel filter. Quite happy with how that's come out. Same with the wiper motor. There is just a little difference in paint levels there. Barely can see it. I can, but I'm okay with that. And then the bulkhead plate as well. Cover them in matte black and then sprayed them with some Rust-Oleum crystal clear matte finish. Never used it before. It's come out well. It's just seeing how long it's going to last for now. I also covered the brake master. I'm really happy with how that's come out. Looks the nuts. Looks quite standard, like a nice OEM finish on there now. Almost powder coated as well. Don't forget that I'm going to be at plenty of shows and events this year, so come over, say hello, stick your head in the engine bay and take a look. Here tonight with my girlfriend Polly. She's going to be inside the car holding the back of the plates that I need to put through on the bulkhead. I'm going to be refitting the front end plug, brake master cylinder and the bulkhead base plate. Polly's going to refit the wiper motor, then there's a few other little bits to put back on and tidy up. It's a bit cold out here tonight, it's time to get this done, get moving and keep warm. So I got this as a little Christmas present. Not sure how much weight it's going to save, but it does look pretty cool, and it'll match the other alloy DSM bits. That's going to fit on the wiper motor there like that, which Polly's going to install for me. I'll give her a hand getting that pin through the first bit there and get all greasy. And I'll pull. Right, push it down again, Paul. Take it off, that's it, slowly. Stoi. That's everything fitted back on the bulkhead. All done nice and carefully, no scratches. Still got to fit the clutch master cylinder when I get that, but I'm getting quite good at fitting the clevis pin now. The starter motor relay, I think it is, I'll get a new one of them when the engine's back in and it's up and running, so I'll change it then so I know it's not that that's faulty. I did say I was going to clear out the fuel filter as well, but seeing as that has an adjustment on it, I didn't want to start fiddling about with it. If it's not broke, don't fix it. The wiper motor plate, that looks really cool as well, nice little touch. I'm really happy with how the black come out too. I've also got to remake some brake copper lines as well. I'll try to include that in the mini diaries, a more in-depth view of how I've made up the ends before in the past. That's it for another week. I've got my bulkhead all sprayed up and all clean to how I wanted it. It's looking a million times better. Sorry there wasn't a lot of content, a lot of going on. It does take time to spray all of these bits up, and that's not too interesting to keep catching the same thing over and over again, but that's what I've been doing all week. I finally got it all on there and it is looking so much better. I hope you've enjoyed it enough to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Next week I'm going to be putting this onto the manifold studs. It's quite tight underneath there, I'm not sure if you're able to see that or not. But I'm going to be just taking some of the metal out of that inlet there, so I'm able to fit a socket onto the back easier and tighten that up. It was leaking around the centre bore there. I'm also going to be fitting the gearbox engine steadies, the left and the right one, fitting them to the diff I think they mount to, and putting some new gaskets behind that. Also stay tuned next week for more of me trying to get ready for this year's season. I'll be trying to keep busy in some way, I may also bring a few surprise visits and bring some other minis onto the vlogs as well. Please check out my Instagram page, which is @minidobby. Have a good weekend, stay safe and be lucky. Refitting.